Welcome to our comparison of two popular B650 motherboards, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is priced at $179, making it a budget-friendly option for users looking for a reliable motherboard. In contrast, the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi comes at a higher price of $219, reflecting its premium features and build quality. If you're on a tight budget, the GIGABYTE board offers great value, while the MSI board may justify its cost with enhanced capabilities. When it comes to networking, the GIGABYTE 650 Eagle AX features standard Realtek GBE LAN and AMD Wi-Fi 6E. On the other hand, the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi offers superior networking capabilities with Intel Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port. This makes the MSI motherboard a better choice for gamers and users who require faster and more reliable internet connections. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance, especially during intense gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX has decent VRM cooling, but it may not be as robust as the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, which is known for its excellent VRM cooling solutions. This means that the MSI board can handle higher loads and maintain better thermal performance, making it a preferred choice for overclockers and high-performance builds. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi are solid choices for B650 motherboards. The GIGABYTE offers great value at a lower price, while the MSI provides enhanced cooling and networking features. Your choice should depend on your budget and specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.